for question number 63. This is a pedigrees for a family affected by a rare genetic disorder. What type of inheritance is illustrated in the pedigree? So when you hear of a rare disorder, oftentimes it's going to be recessive. And so we can take a look and see if that actually works out. Also, what you see with recessive is that you can have parents who don't have a disorder, but then have an offspring that do. And we do see that in this case here. We also see it in this example here. So this would be an indication that the disorder is recessive. Okay, so we can automatically take out autosomal dominant, sex-linked dominant. Then, and plus we know that most genetic disorders which are rare are recessive. Then we have to figure out if it's autosomal recessive or sex-linked recessive. And the key to this one is if you have a female who has a disorder, like we have right here, you're looking to her father or to her son to see if they also have the disorder. If the father doesn't have the disorder, the mom it can't be a sex-linked trait. And let me show you why. So if the dad doesn't have the disorder, he's X big R Y. The mom, well, because she has kids that do have the disorder, we'd call her X big R X little r. She doesn't have the disorder, but she's a carrier for it. So if this were sex-linked, then the females in this case, X big R, X big R, X big R, X little r, would all be normal. Neither one of them would have the disorder, which is true for this one here, but not true for this one here. So that's how we know that it's autosomal recessive. So the disorder then would look like a big R smaller, and she would be smaller, small r in that case.